Krisykatters, welcome back to my channel and another episode. It's that time of year, we're getting festive, so I do have a festive look for you, and hopefully it's festive enough for you for your upcoming holiday, if you celebrate a holiday this month. So whether it's Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, I can't remember any other one, so excuse me if I forget somebody. So let me stop rambling and let's get into this look. Don't forget to subscribe, put on the notification bell so you know when I post, and don't forget to check out my Instagram page. And without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, guys. Don't mind all the hair sticking out, you know. You're here for the look, not for the outfit. So we're going in for a green look this year, and with a little pizzazz, or at least I think it's a little pizzazz. It might not be pizzazz for you, but yeah. So you're gonna need some greens, and specifically I am going in with this green and this green. We're going to do this yellow, but we're going to soften it up with this light yellow, and then we're going to put a little sparkle on the eye. I have done it old school, and I have already put on my face, so my base makeup, foundation, concealer, powder, all that stuff, my brows are already done, because it's all about the look. It's always about the eye. So that's what we're going to do. Let me bring you in a little closer. All right, there we are, close and up and personal. So we're going to use usually what we really use all the time, which is 3 brushes. You're going to go in with a tapered blending brush, and we are going to mix let me stop lying to you. We're first going to go into that combination yellow, so I am going to do that, and we're going to blend that right up into the crease and this lid space up here, so as close as to the brow bone as possible. And maybe I will leave off that lighter yellow, because I thought that yellow was going to be a little bit more, you know, pigmented, but it's not. So just the yellow then. And it doesn't really show up on camera, so I'm gonna go into a deeper yellow. It kind of, there we go. See that already? Yeah. Yeah, that's the yellow I'm going, and we're going to do this all up here, right here. So make sure you get that all yellowed out. All right, now we're going to go with a pencil or a crease brush in this case, and we're going to dip into our 2 greens because I want a little bit more control, and we're going to start in my favorite place, the crease, and build that out into the socket about halfway, so here. And I do want it kind of like a darker green, but you build up, you know, so you can see what you're working with. So we're going to stop that a little halfway in the crease, and then do that. So go in with your darker green, and I do have a really darker green, and make sure that it does a good job of kind of slowly but surely creeping, darkening this green, because this green is really the star of the show. And the trick to this is blend, blend, blend. Okay, what you're going to do next is get a flat eyeshadow brush and just sweep lightly a light color. Could be a bone color, could be a slightly white color like this, because we're just laying the bases for our shimmer and our sparkle that's going to go in this little section here that we've got left. Or you can leave it bare, or you can cut your crease, whatever you want to do. That is totally up to you. We're gonna go, well, for me, I'm gonna go into a different palette, and I'm going to pick up this color right here. And I like this color because it has some, it's not a solid color. It has a pinky pearl gold shimmer color, which kind of reminds me of champagne, glittery, you know, festive. And so we're just going to take our eye and we're just going to pretty much smother that all into the remaining parts of our eye. And then we're going to take our, or you're going to take your smallest brush again, and we are going to do the corners, the bottom corners of our eyes, and we're going to actually take a lighter green and do, you know what, actually no. Seeing as I mixed these two colors, I'm going to do this color at the bottom and only halfway. We're going to put lashes on. I'm going to do the Ioni Natural Light Dolls. So I'll do that off camera and I'll be back. Okay, lashes is on. You want to go with a neutral, nudie blush and put it where you like. This is for me. Then we're going to take a light champagne kind of highlighter, and I am using the Pink Flash Dual Stick. This is blush, but we're not using that. We're using this highlighter. And does it have a name besides PHO2? Nope. And finishing up our highlight. Give a little on there. And then, you know, I'm not really a Cupid's bow person, but we need to put a little something there on the lips. And then I am going to just really streak it down and then blend it out with my finger. You know, usually I tell you, when you have a bold eye, you want your lips to be less bold. But I am going to try out a red lip. Line those lips. And then get yourself a red lipstick. I'm using my L'Oreal Crayon lipstick in Brulee every day. It's usually the red I usually go for. And we are ready to go, guys. This is the final Christmas look. If you want to be a little bold, I might change my mind about this red. But here we are. That little fleckness of gold. I know I did a Christmas green look 2 years ago, but this is a different green look. So, red lip is growing on me with these eyes. But anyway, and if not, if that's not your deal, you can always go for a natural lip. And I hope you guys enjoy your Christmas or your holidays if you celebrate again a holiday. And until next year,